It can come at any time, in the dark of night or the middle of the day. But whenever the call for power comes, Direct Energy's Upstream Power Division stands ready to provide safe and reliable power generation capacity. At each of Direct Energy's power stations are experienced and dedicated individuals who operate, maintain, and manage the plants. Around the clock, every day of the year, these men and women ensure that the plants are available for dispatch at any time. Each member of the team is a Direct Energy employee. They are committed to the values of the company and to the success not only of their plant, but to Direct Energy as a whole. Together, these men and women are responsible for the mechanical, information, and support system that keeps their plant running at the highest levels of safety and reliability. On the surface, a power plant is a dizzying array of pipes, valves, and electronics. But its heart is the people who work there. It is up to this group of individuals to maintain and operate the plant's machinery and control systems. The dedication of these men and women, their willingness to seize responsibility and to act as one team, is what enables Direct Energy power stations to provide power in a safe and reliable way.
I don't care how good your technology is, how good your mechanical devices are. If you don't have people that can operate them, or you don't have people that can work on them, they're useless.
The accountability and responsibility that each person takes upon themselves, it's their own personal value. I don't think you're going to find anyone here that's going to shirk that accountability and responsibility. They're going to make sure that the commitment is to do their job and be available, reliable, and be safe.
With so many moving parts, heavy equipment, and industrial materials, a power plant is a potentially dangerous place. The safety of workers, visitors, and contractors is a constant source of concern. Attention to detail and reinforcement of safety practices are key to making the environment of the plant as safe as possible.
Through our Main Saver program, we have PMs to check safety equipment to make sure it's functioning properly. If it's not, we send it out and get it repaired. Lots of ways that we try to be safe. See somebody out working outside, we'll put a little more effort into watching them, make sure that they are doing it safe.
A safe work environment enables power station teams to ensure that they are reliable and available for dispatch at any time.
All of us view EMG as our customer, and we are committed to, as I said, making sure we're available and reliable to them. They pick up the phone and call us, we're ready to go, no ifs, ands, or buts.
Direct Energy's in-house power generation capacity ensures that energy traders at EMG have the most important tool possible at their disposal: full, timely, and accurate information.
The information that I need to know is what kind of capability are we looking at for the next day from the plants based on the weather, and any sort of updated timelines on maintenance. Knowing that the information that we get from the power plants comes from someone within Direct Energy lets me know that we're working with someone that has the same corporate values, has the same end goals as we do. We're all on the same team.
This real-time and accurate communication enables traders to capitalize on rapidly changing market conditions.
They're very reliable. Then you take advantage of items in the market where you can tell that there could be a potential price spike, or maybe someone's out looking for power and you can sell them this power at a profit. And if I know that plant's available and I've made that sale, then it's money in the door.
Direct Energy plants are able to achieve high levels of reliability because of the skill and dedication of plant staff, as well as the company's dedication to a course of preventative maintenance. Nowhere are these two ideas more in evidence than during a major planned outage.
These outages are planned usually 2 to 3 years in advance. Basically the equivalent on a lot larger scale of taking the engine out of your car, totally rebuilding it, putting it back in. There's things that we found that from a technical aspect that weren't going to last a longer period of time.
As long as you get a good preventive maintenance program, you can usually catch a good percentage of those issues before they hit you.
You can't always see that, but when you start in doing maintenance, those things become apparent and evident. Our reliability just wouldn't be there.
Dedication and talent, a commitment to safety and reliability, and a willingness to see the larger picture. These are the hallmarks of the men and women of Direct Energy's power generation plants.
I do see emails and I'll sit and think, okay, how are we doing in our business unit? How are we providing to that bottom line? Are we providing more than what we're taking?
It's teamwork. I mean, one person can't win a game. If you don't have everybody working together and on their A game, the plant don't run.
Most people want to belong in some form or fashion to something. A team, a family, an organization. Well, these people here, it's an organization. They're passionate about their work. They want to do it right, do it well. They have a sense of pride that they feel like they're contributing to the company.